I've compiled a list of 13 of the easiest work-from-home jobs for 2024. These jobs are not only easy to land, but also relatively simple once you start working. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list is the role of a social listening analyst, where the primary task involves analyzing social media conversations to identify trends. This role is invaluable as it allows the gathering of public insights that can significantly contribute to marketing, branding, and communication strategies for organizations of varying sizes. Social listening analysts typically earn between $59,000 and $91,000 annually. This emerging career doesn't necessitate a college degree or prior experience, offering an advantage for younger individuals familiar with social media. Job opportunities for this role will be displayed on the screen, making it a solid option with an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. Moving on, we have the sourcing specialist position, which entails working for a company to locate suppliers while ensuring cost-effectiveness. The responsibilities include securing goods, materials, services, and even personnel, all while adhering to budget constraints. This remote-friendly job typically pays around $60,000 to $89,000 per year. While having experience in a specific industry is beneficial, it's not mandatory, making it relatively accessible. Job opportunities will be provided on the screen, and due to its ease of entry and versatility, it receives a high opportunity score of 9 out of 10. Next in line is the launch specialist role, primarily tasked with launching new websites, sites, or products. Responsibilities involve close coordination with clients, conducting audits, and prioritizing customer satisfaction. While it may require intense periods of work during certain launches, it tends to be a more relaxed job afterward, offering annual earnings ranging from $60,000 to $100,000. This falls within the realm of digital marketing, and job opportunities will be shown on the screen. Given its valuable workload, it receives a score of 7 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Following on the list is the role of a medical science writer, which involves unraveling the intricate language of medicine. These professionals create documents, articles, and manuals centered around healthcare topics. While a background in healthcare is necessary, there's no specific requirement for working in a particular healthcare career. Medical science writers earn between $68,000 and $115,000 annually, making it an appealing option, especially for those seeking a career transition within the healthcare sector. It receives a commendable opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. Moving forward, we have the channel sales representative position, akin to being the conductor of a sales orchestra. In this role, the responsibility is to sell a company's products, often through resellers or channels. Tasks include developing sales strategies, securing deals with vendors or resellers, and building client relationships. Channel sales representatives earn between $84,000 and $146,000 per year. While various sales roles are relatively accessible, sales itself is not for everyone. This position, despite being easy to land, is considered challenging, warranting an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. Next in line is a digital production coordinator, comparable to being a traffic controller for entertainment. In charge of overseeing digital production, this role involves setting up production, managing schedules, and budgets for content creation, often for ads, YouTube, or Instagram. Digital production coordinators typically earn about $45,000 to $70,000 annually. Given its novelty in the career landscape due to the recent emergence of social media, it's relatively easy to enter. However, it is considered a bit more challenging than some other options on the list, meriting an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. The claims reviewer takes the spotlight next. Consider the unsung heroes of the insurance world. Meticulously evaluating claims to ensure fairness and proper process, this role handles situations where individuals submit claims, such as after a car accident. Claim reviewers earn around $47,000 to $75,000 annually, and the role is both easy to land and straightforward to perform, making it accessible to individuals without a college degree or prior experience. Its simplicity and ease contribute to an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. Moving forward, we have the role of a narrator, which encompasses various narration types. Essentially, this involves vocalizing written content, with one example being audiobook narration. Narrators can earn approximately $55,000 to $101,000 annually, and the income range varies based on specific niches within the narration field. Job opportunities in this domain are available, and it's considered a viable option, receiving a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Following that, we have the benefits specialist role, which primarily operates within an HR setting. Responsible for maintaining employee satisfaction, this role ensures individuals have access to desirable benefits. Benefits specialists earn between $47,000 to $70,000 per year, and the job is easily accessible without the need for a college degree or prior experience. While it may not be the most glamorous position, its overall appeal grants it a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next on the list is the Public Affairs Associate position, involving behind-the-scenes work crafting public relations strategies. Responsibilities include managing communications with shareholders and shaping public opinions of the company's brand. Public Affairs Associates typically earn between $60,000 and $99,000 annually. While a bachelor's degree is often preferred, it's not mandatory, making it relatively accessible. This role requires skills in public relations, and its relatively calm nature contributes to an opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. Moving forward, we have the Patient Safety Specialist, a role within the healthcare industry focused on ensuring patient safety. This involves coordinating safety products, analyzing incidents, and implementing programs to minimize errors. While a college degree and a healthcare background are preferable, it's not an overly stressful job, as there is no constant pressure or customer-facing requirement. Ensuring the well-being of individuals, this role earns a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, we have the role of a project coordinator assistant. Typically found in the art world, this position involves providing support and streamlining the coordination of various artistic and cultural projects. In this capacity, individuals can earn approximately $46,000 to $67,000 annually. Job opportunities are available, and if you have the passion for art, this could be an ideal role as it allows you to align your work with your interests. Despite being an assistant role, landing the initial job might pose some challenges, making it deserving a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Lastly, we have the member specialist position, focusing on fostering a sense of community. Responsibilities include driving membership sales, ensuring member satisfaction, and serving as ultimate community builders. Many companies offer memberships, and this role, earning about $43,000 to $66,000 annually, is becoming increasingly common, especially in the digital realm. This is a relatively new role, providing ample opportunities for individuals without a college degree or previous experience to enter. Overall, it receives an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!